Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone is getting hot after updating to iOS 26, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through simple and quick ways to cool your iPhone down and stop overheating. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. Sometime a quick restart is all your iPhones need. Here's how to do it. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button together for about 10 seconds. When the slider appears, swipe it to the right side to turn it off. Wait for few seconds. Then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Solution 2. Close unused apps. Too many apps running in the background can heat up your phone. Just swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close all the open apps. It helps your phone cool down and run smoother. Solution 3. Update all your apps. Some apps might not be fully updated for iOS 26, which can cause bugs or heating issues. Here's how to update them. Open the App Store. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Update All. That's it. Make sure everything is up to date. Solution 4. Turn off background app refresh. Some apps keep running in the background even you are not using them. That can really heat things up. Here's how to turn it off. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Tap on Background App Refresh. Tap it again and choose Off. This saves battery and keeps your iPhone cooler. Solution 4. Turn on Low Power Mode. This one's super helpful. It limits background activity and cools things down. Go to Settings app. Tap on Battery. Turn on Low Power Mode. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.